Welcome everyone. My name is Sashen Naidu. Today I'm presenting Maths Literacy Grade 10, Classifying and Collecting Data. This time we're going through all of the practice examples. Let us begin. An informal business owner collects the following amount of money per customer in an hour. And there in blue, you'll see all of the amounts that he's collected in that particular hour. Draw a frequency table to represent the data above. Now, if you remember, we looked a bit about it before. A frequency table is an extension of the tally table. So the tally table, all those pictures that we drew, we then write those as numbers. We get a total. That's our frequency table. Let's get started. So, first thing we need headings. Now, looking at these are all numbers. So we'll start with class intervals. Class T-V-A-L-S. Yes, that looks better. Then the middle column, that's our tally column. T-A-L-L-Y. And the last column, the new one, that's the frequency column. Right, and that's the gist of it. Now, you'll see that I've already included a certain amount of rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, but of course that depends on the amount of intervals we have. So in this situation, looking at the numbers we have, we first try and find the smallest value. So if you're looking around, you will see that there's lots of 0,5. There's one. And there's another. And those are your smallest numbers for this particular set. Now, dealing with the type of values we have, we've got 0,5 there. We then have 1,5 next to it. Goes up to 4. So looking within that, our range of numbers has to be within a certain interval that makes sense for all of them to give us the best spread, the best amount of data. So looking at this, I'd say we'll start with interval 0 to 1. Then we'll go from interval 1,1 to interval 2,1. All right, so basically that means our intervals are between our intervals of 1 unit or 1 rand. So looking at that, 0 to 1, that'll take care of all of the cents that we have. Then from there, as the numbers develop, 1,1 to 2,1, we could then go from 2,2 to, let's write that neater, 2,2 to 3,2, takes in the bigger values, 3,3 to 4,3, and lastly, 4,4. Let's look at that one again. 4,4 to 5,4. The last row would be our total. There we are. All right, and that completes our class intervals column. Sometimes they give you the intervals they want, sometimes they ask you to do it for you, so just be careful there. Now, we can actually get to the tally part. Let's just get rid of that so we can begin fresh. Here we go. What's our first value? 0,75. So scratch guy off, and 0,75 fits in there. Then we have 1,25. Let's go across. And 1,25 looks like it will fit in somewhere there. Then you've got 5 rand. Okay, 5, all the way at the bottom. There it is. Below now, next row, 2,50, 2 rand 50, somewhere here. 2 rand 75, somewhere there. And 3 rand. All right, where's the 3 rand going to be? Somewhere there. Okay, Then we have 4 Rand. 4 Rand is here. 0.50, 50 cents, that's up there. 1 Rand 50, 1 Rand 50 is right here. 3 Rand, that's there. 0.75, that's there at the top. 1 Rand 50, okay, where would that be? Right here, there you are. All right, halfway through, let's keep going. 3.15, there it is. Okay, 3.15 should be here. Now look at this grouping. Remember, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is a strike through because we're grouping the tallies in fives. Don't forget that. Then we go on to 3.25 and 3.25. 3.25. 3.25 again, 2.10, yes, 0.75, yes, 1 Rand, 1 Rand would be here, again, with the grouping of 4, scratch a guy off to have 5 in total, 0.5 up here, 0.75, up there, 3.15, okay, 3.15 should be here, 1.20, 1.20, there you go, grouping 5, 4 Rand, there, 3.25, here. All right, and there's our groupings. Now, once you have the tally part completed, you then basically write the tallies as numbers, and then you can total the frequency column. Let's do that one. You've got a group of 5 right here, and then 6 and 7. There you go. Here we have a group of 5, so that would just be 5. All right. Here we've got a group of 5 again, and an additional 1, so 5 plus 1. That gives me 6. Okay, working well, almost there. We've got a group of 5. There it is. And lastly, just a solitary 1. Then if you total all that up, we get to 24. All right, remember, this guy, we leave him out, we don't total that. That stays alone there because, again, tally column is just pictures. And there you go, we've completed a full frequency table, and then we can move on. I think that took a bit of time. I think most of you, specifically me, needs a break. So after the ad break, I'll see you guys. Looking forward to that. Take care.